In today's rapidly evolving world, automation has become a driving force behind technological advancements. From machine learning to robotics, innovative technologies have transformed industries and reshaped our personal and professional lives. This article delves into the rise of automation, exploring why it is different this time and how it is revolutionizing various sectors. A glimpse into history, pre-automation era. Before the advent of automation, manual labor and simple machines were the primary means of performing tasks. People relied on hand tools, levers, and pulleys to accomplish challenging endeavors, often consuming significant time and energy. However, the introduction of semi-automation, such as water wheels for agricultural processes, laid the foundation for further mechanization. The Industrial Revolution in the 17th century marked a pivotal turning point, with the emergence of steam mills and engines paving the way for modern industrial automation. The evolution of automation, from repetitive tasks to cognitive abilities. Initially, automation was limited to the execution of repetitive tasks. However, as technology progressed, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, revolutionized the field. AI algorithms empowered machines to make intelligent decisions and perform cognitive tasks with unprecedented speed and accuracy. This marked a significant shift, enabling automation to surpass human capabilities in various industries. Impact of automation on daily life. Automation has permeated our daily lives, transforming the way we interact with our surroundings. From smart homes to voice-activated assistants, these technological advancements have added convenience, efficiency, and accessibility to our routines. Smart home systems, revolutionizing daily life. Smart home systems, equipped with automated features such as lights, security apps, and climate control, have become an integral part of our lives. These domotics perform various tasks automatically, enhancing our lifestyle with preset lighting, automated gates, and smart air conditioning options. Voice-activated assistants, your personal genie. Voice assistants, powered by AI, have become ubiquitous in our lives. Amazon Alexa, Apple's Siri, and Google Assistant are personal digital assistants that streamline our daily tasks. From setting reminders and scheduling appointments to playing music and making calls, these assistants respond to voice commands, saving time and adding flexibility to our routines. Automated transportation systems, from self-driving cars to drone deliveries. Automation has revolutionized the transportation industry with the introduction of self-driving cars, autonomous public transit, and drone deliveries. AI algorithms enable self-driving cars to navigate roads independently, while automated buses and trains streamline public transportation. These advancements have the potential to improve efficiency, safety, and accessibility in our daily commutes. AI-powered personal health monitoring systems, proactive healthcare. Wearable devices with AI algorithms have revolutionized personal health monitoring. These devices track vital signs, sleep patterns, and calorie consumption, allowing individuals to proactively monitor their health and detect potential issues early on. Automation in healthcare empowers individuals to take charge of their well-being, leading to better health outcomes. Automated financial management, the rise of robo-advisors. AI-powered robo-advisors have transformed the financial management landscape. These automated systems utilize advanced machine learning algorithms to analyze financial data, make informed decisions, and optimize investment portfolios. Robo-advisors minimize human errors, provide accurate financial predictions, and simplify the management of personal finances. Automation in the business world. The impact of automation extends beyond personal life and into the realm of business. Automation has reshaped various industries, enabling businesses to enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and focus on strategic initiatives. Automated manufacturing and robotics, streamlining production. Automation has revolutionized manufacturing and production processes. Robotics and automated systems perform tasks such as assembly, handling, and packaging with precision and speed, reducing human labor requirements and increasing productivity. These technologies optimize production cycles, streamline workflows, and ensure quality control. Automation in retail and e-commerce, optimizing operations. In the realm of retail and e-commerce, automation plays a crucial role in managing repetitive tasks. Chatbots, inventory management systems, and order fulfillment technologies streamline customer service, inventory tracking, and order processing. Automation in retail and e-commerce enhances operational efficiency, reduces errors, and improves customer satisfaction. Automation in healthcare, enhancing patient care. Automation has transformed the healthcare industry, improving patient care and outcomes. Electronic medical records, telemedicine, and AI-powered diagnostic tools streamline administrative tasks, enhance communication between healthcare providers, and enable faster and more accurate diagnoses. Automation in healthcare enables healthcare professionals to focus on patient care and improve overall efficiency. Automation in finance, streamlining financial processes. The financial sector has embraced automation to streamline financial processes, enhance security, and improve customer experiences. AI-powered algorithms automate tasks such as fraud detection, risk assessment, and customer support, ensuring faster and more accurate financial services. Automation in finance enables organizations to reduce costs, improve data accuracy, and provide personalized financial solutions. The future of automation, opportunities and challenges. While automation brings numerous benefits, it also presents challenges and raises important questions about the future of work and human roles in an automated world. New job opportunities, adapting to a changing landscape. Automation has created new job opportunities in emerging fields related to technology, AI, and robotics. As certain tasks become automated, humans can shift their focus to strategic, creative, and executive roles that require critical thinking, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence. By adapting to this changing landscape, individuals can thrive in the automated world. Reskilling and upskilling, navigating the automation era. As automation continues to advance, reskilling and upskilling become crucial for individuals to remain competitive in the job market. Acquiring new skills and knowledge in emerging technologies, data analysis, and creative problem-solving will be essential to navigate the automation era successfully. Lifelong learning and continuous development are key to staying relevant in an ever-evolving automated world. Ethical considerations, balancing automation and human values. As automation becomes more prevalent, ethical considerations arise. Balancing automation with human values, such as privacy, security, and fairness, is essential. Organizations and policymakers must address these concerns to ensure that automation benefits society as a whole and minimizes potential negative impacts. Conclusion. The rise of automation has ushered in a new era of technological advancements, revolutionizing industries and transforming our daily lives. From smart homes to automated manufacturing, AI-powered assistants to self-driving cars, automation has become an integral part of our world. While challenges and ethical considerations persist, the opportunities presented by automation are vast. By embracing automation, acquiring new skills, and addressing ethical concerns, we can navigate the automation era and shape a future where humans and machines work together harmoniously. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us.